पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। ग्रेड 7 चैप्टर नंबर 5 पंचमः पाठः चैप्टर नंबर 5। नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज सेवा ही परमो धर्मः। सेवा, सर्विस, ही इंडीड, परमो धर्मः, हाईएस्ट ड्यूटी। Service indeed is highest duty. Beautiful story with a wonderful meaning. Let us start with the introductory dialogues between teacher and students. प्रिय छात्राः, O dear students, जीवने सफलतायै मानवः किं किम् अर्जयेत्? जीवने in life, सफलतायै to become successful, मानवः human being, किम किम अर्जयेत, what all thing he should earn, what all thing he should have to become successful in life. First girl says dhanam, there should be enough money for success, or to get enough money is success. Padavim. Padavim, positions, designations, to get designation, CEO, then manager. To get all these things, it's called success. Someone says, Vidyam, knowledge is important. Someone says, what is the use of knowledge if you don't have degree? He says, Upadhim. Degrees are important to become successful in life. Teacher is not happy with the answers. Teacher says, Kim etadeva paryaptam. Does this much is enough to become successful in life? Then one boy asks, Anyat kim avashyakam mahoday? Anyat kim? What else required in life, O teacher? Money, degree, positions, knowledge. Life is complete. Now teacher says, no, मानवीयाः गुणाः अपि आवश्यकाः भोः. O student, मानवीय गुणाः, like human values or divine values, api also avashyakaha. So money, degree, position is important, but the value, virtues also should be there. And she gives one wonderful example. यथा सिद्धार्थस्य जीवने विद्या, धनम, पदम च सर्वमपि आसीत्. As Siddharthasya means in the life of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha's name was Siddhartha. So in Siddharth's life, Jivane, Vidya, knowledge was there, money was there, Padam, position was there, Sarvam api asit, everything was there. Kintu, but मानवीय गुणैः एव सः महात्मा बुद्धः जातः. He had everything, money, power, position, everything. Kintu, but मानवीय गुणैः, by human values only, he became Mahatma Buddha. Now, a innocent girl in the class, she asks, Arye, O teacher, O cultured one, O revered one, Kete manaviyaha gunaha. Kete, what all these manaviya gunaha, virtues, human qualities, would you please dictate? Now she gives the example. You see, beautiful Gautam Buddha's picture is also there. Now, Satyam, truthfulness, Karuna, compassion, उदारता, generosity, सेवा, service to humankind, परोपकारः, like doing favor to other people, akrodhah, and peace, ityadayah, these kinds of manaviyaha gunaha santi, these kinds of values are there one should have to become great. Adya, today, etaihi gunaihi sambadham ekam katham pathamah. Adya, teacher is saying today, etaihi gunaihi sambadham, like by these qualities, there are stories which are interwoven, means these qualities are interwoven, connected. Such story, such one story, pathamah, we should study. Amanye, yes, respected one. Vayam api patitum ichhama. We also wants to learn, study. Now she starts one story of a great chemist and a chemistry scientist and a doctor. Let's move further. Now story starts. That was the introduction part. नागार्जुनः प्रसिद्धः रसायनशास्त्रज्ञः चिकित्सकः च आसीत्. Nagarjun was a famous रसायन शास्त्रज्ञ, scientist in chemistry. चिकित्सकः, doctor, आसीत् was. सः, नागार्जुन, अहोरात्रम, day and night, प्रयोगशालायाम, in that laboratory, कार्यं करोति स्म, used to work. एकदा, once, सः महाराजं निवेदितवान्. सः, he, Maharajam, to his king, Niveditavan, said. What he said? Maharaj, Mama chikitsa karyaya ekah sahayakah avashyakah iti. Mama, my chikitsa karyaya, to make these medicines and all other things, ekah sahayakah, one assistant, avashyakah, required, iti. Thus he said. राजा एतद् अंगीकृतवान् उक्तवान् च. King accepted this, means whatever he said, I want one assistant. उक्तवान् च, and king said अस्तु अहं व्यवस्थां करोमि. अहं, I, व्यवस्थां करोमि, I will arrange one person who can assist you. And he says, king says, श्वः केचन योग्याः युवकाः आगमिष्यन्ति. श्वः, tomorrow, केचन, few, योग्याः युवकाः, eligible, fit, perfect, intelligent candidates, young people आगमिष्यन्ति, will come. भवान् परीक्षां कृत्वा तेषु युवकेषु एकं योग्यं स्वीकरोतु इति. भवान्, you, परीक्षां कृत्वा, having examined them, तेषु युवकेषु, among those many youngsters, to some one youngster who is fit, स्वीकरोतु, you must accept, you must choose among them all. Then अन्यस्मिन् दिने, on other day, द्वौ युवकौ आगतवन्तौ, two students came. नागार्जुनः द्वयोः विद्याभ्यासविषये पृष्टवान्. नागार्जुन, the scientist, द्वयोः अभ्यासविषये, द्वयोः, to these two people, अभ्यासविषये पृष्टवान्. He asked question regarding studies, अभ्यास, विद्याभ्यास विषये. द्वयोः अपि विद्याभ्यास विषयः समान एव आसीत्. द्वयोः, in both of them also, विद्याभ्यास विषयः, knowledge of subject, समानः एव आसीत्, was equal. So both of them, they had equal knowledge in subjects. Tada, then नागार्जुनः तौ एकं विशिष्टं रसायनं निर्माय आगच्छताम् इति सूचितवान्. Then Nagarjun tau, to both of these young boys, ekam vishishtam rasayanam nirmaya, to invent new medicine, agacchatam, please come, iti suchitavan. Thus he instructed, thus he informed them, suchitavan. Tadartham dinadvayasya avasaram dattavan. And to do this, dinadvayasya, 2 days, avasaram dattavan. He dattavan gave time of days. So, medicine, they all should prepare and they all should bring. Gamana samaye rajamarge na gacchatam. Gamana samaye, while going, Rajamargena Gachatam. You both should go by a main road. Rajamarga, from where the king comes. Iti api Suchitavan. Thus also he informed, guided them. Dinadvayanantaram. After 2 days, Nagarjunasya samipe Prathamah Yuvakah Agatavan. Nagarjunasya samipe. After uh, the first youngster, first doctor assistant came to Nagarjuna. Agatavan came closer, Samipe, closer, near to Nagarjuna. Aushadha nirmane kimapi kashtam na abhavat khalu. Aushadha nirmane, to prepare, to make that medicine, kimapi custom, any hardships, na abhavat khalu. Any hardships were there to create all these medicines. Iti Nagarjunah Prushtavan. Thus, Nagarjun asked. Yuvakah Swaminishtham Darshayitum Swagruhasya Samasyaha Varnitavan. Yuvakah Swanishtham Darshayitum. Yuvaka, means that young boy. Swanishtham Darshayitum. Darshayitum, to show. Swanishta, firm conviction or about one's own self. Swagruhasya samasyaha varnitavan. Samasyaha, problems. Varnitavan, explained. He explained few problems of his house. First he said, Pituhu udaravedana. Father's stomach ache. Matuhu jwaraha. Mother's fever cha asit, was there. Tathapi, then also, aham, I, tat sarvam parityaja, having given a father's stomachache, mother's fever, aushadham nirmitavan. This is my nishtha, this is my conviction that I won't uh, look after my parents also if I have to do something, if I have to create a medicine. And I created औषधं निर्मितवान् इति उक्त्वा नागार्जुनाय रसायनं दत्तवान् इति उक्त्वा, having said this, नागार्जुनाय रसायनं दत्तवान्, he gave this rasayana to Nagarjuna. Now about second yuvaka, second youngster. Tad abhyantare, after him, द्वितीयः युवकः अपि आगतवान्. Second young boy also came, young assistant. Sah khinnah asit. He was sad, disappointed. Tamapi Nagarjunah prushtavan. To him also Nagarjuna asked. What he asked? Tada Yuvakah uktavan. Then Yuvaka said what? Aham aushadham nirmatum na shaktavan iti. I could not make medicine. I could not invent or make medicine. Kimartham na shaktavan? इति नागार्जुनः पृच्छति. Why didn't you make it medicine? इति न thus Nagarjuna asked. युवकः उक्तवान्. A young boy said. Second young boy. राजमार्गे अहं कञ्चित् रोगिणं दृष्टवान्. राजमार्गे on the main road अहम् I दृष्टवान् saw कञ्चित् रोगिणं some patient I saw. तस्य परिस्थितिः शोचनीया आसीत्. His condition was quite worryable. शोचनीया, it was a difficult condition. अहं त्वं तं स्वगृहं नीतवान्. I took him to my own house. दिनद्वयं तस्य एव सेवायां निरतः आसम्. दिनद्वयं 2 days तस्य एव सेवायां his in his duty only निरतः आसम्. Engaged I was. अद्य प्रातः सः स्वस्थः अभवत्. अद्य टुडे प्रातः मॉर्निंग सः ही स्वस्थः अभवत्. He became okay. He became well. अहं ततः साक्षात् अत्र आगतवान्. I came directly here from there. रसायननिर्माणार्थं समयम् एव न प्राप्तवान् इति. To make medicine समयम् एव न प्राप्तवान्. I did not get time. Oh. तदनन्तरम् after that नागार्जुनः द्वितीयं युवकं सहायकत्वेन स्वीकृतवान्. Nagarjuna, then this doctor accepted second person as his assistant. राजा एतं वृत्तान्तं श्रुत्वा आश्चर्यं प्रकटितवान्. King was surprised having heard this entire story. He showed this wonderment. How? सः नागार्जुनं पृष्टवान्. He asks Nagarjuna what he asked. प्रथमः युवकः औषधं कृत्वा आनीतवान्. द्वितीयः तथा न कृतवान्. First young boy brought medicine. द्वितीयः तथा न कृत. Second one did not brought medicine or prepared medicine. तथापि भवान् किमर्थं द्वितीयं चितवान्? Then also you किमर्थं why द्वितीयं चितवान्? Why you selected? Why you taken the second one? Nagarjuna avadat. This is the best part of the story. Nagarjuna said that what? द्वितीयः अपि औषधनिर्माणे कुशलः अस्ति. Second one also expert in making medicines. किंतु तेन समयः न प्राप्तः. But he did not get time. समयः न प्राप्तः. Did not get time. यतः because सः सेवायां निरतः आसीत्. He was busy in serving that person. तं रोगिणम् अहं पूर्वमेव मार्गे दृष्टवान्. To that patient I saw before only on that road. अतः राजमार्गेण गन्तव्यम् इति अहं युवकद्वयं सूचितवान्. अतः therefore you all must be gone by this big road. Iti युवकद्वयं. This I told, informed to both the youngster. प्रथमः रोगिणं दृष्ट्वा अपि अग्रे गतवान्. First one saw patient but अग्रे गतवान्, went ahead. सः यन्त्रवत् कार्यं करोति. He works like a machine. तस्मिन् सेवायाः भावना नास्ति. In him सेवायाः भाव, there is no feeling of serving. सेवा भावनां विना चिकित्सकः कथं भवेत्? Without attitude of serving, feeling of serving, how someone can become doctor. कथं भवेत्? How? अतः therefore अहं द्वितीयस्य चयनं कृतवान् इति. Therefore I selected the second one. Beautiful story is narrated here. Now let us see question answers. Okay. कः सुप्रसिद्धः चिकित्सकः आसीत्? So नागार्जुनः. Very nice story. Who was this famous doctor? अन्यस्मिन् दिने कौ आगतौ? अन्यस्मिन् दिने युवकौ आगतः. Two young boy came. युवकौ आगत. युवकौ only. कः खिन्नः आसीत्? द्वितीयः युवकः. The second young boy was sad because he could not make medicine. Then रुग्णस्य परिस्थिति कथम आसीत्? शोचनीया, worryable. शोचनीया, like pitiable condition was there. नागार्जुनः सहायकरूपेण कं चितवान्? द्वितीयं युवकं चितवान्. Whom did he selected? So second person. काम विना चिकित्सकः न भवति. सेवा भावनां विना, without attitude, feeling of service, there cannot be a doctor. नागार्जुन युवकौ केन मार्गेण? राजमार्ग. By what road you all should go? So राजमार्गेण इति सूचितवान्. Very nice. Next. Hmm. Now full sentence answer. अहोरात्रं नागार्जुन कुत्र आसीत्? So we have to write down अहोरात्रं. I am writing only answer. नागार्जुनः प्रयोगशालायाम् आसीत्. Where he was? In laboratory. नागार्जुनः महाराजं किं निवेदितवान्? So नागार्जुनः महाराजं निवेदितवान्. This I am not writing. यत्, that, एकं सहायकं, सहायकं, एकं सहायकं आवश्यकम् इति निवेदितवान्. आवश्यकम् इति. सो नागार्जुन महाराजं निवेदितवान् यत्, यत् एकं सहायकम् आवश्यकम् इति. प्रथमः युवकः कथं कार्यं कृतवान्? प्रथमः युवकः, प्रथमः युवकः यन्त्रवत् कार्यं कृतवान्. यन्त्रवत् कार्यं कृतवान्. Like machine he worked. No feelings, nothing. Then, next. द्वितीयः युवकः राजमार्गे रोगिणं दृष्ट्वा किं कृतवान्? So second boy, he saw a person on, a patient on this highway or a big way. What he did? So I'm writing किं कृतवान्, double inverted comma, स्व स्वगृहं नीतवान्, तस्य सेवा सेवाम् अपि कृतवान्. So what he did? So how will it be the answer? द्वितीयः युवकः राजमार्गे रोगिणं दृष्ट्वा तं स्वगृहं नीतवान्, सेवाम् अपि च कृतवान्. So he took him to his house and then he did serve them. Tam. Okay. Then last. सेवायाः भावनाः किम न भवेत् सेवायाः भावनां विना without the attitude of serving what is not possible. So सेवायाः भावनां विना चिकित्सकः न भवेत्. सेवायां भावना चिकित्सकः न भवेत्. There is no possibility of doctor. That was the second last sentence of this. Then what we saw. Then next, what we have to do? We have to write down the pratyayas. Okay. Mm. So verb is given. We have to write down this ta pratyaya. Just a minute. Now we have to make tavatu pratyaya of uh, word given in strilinga, and we have to write down plural and singular form. So gatavan, ta pratyaya is gatavati, and bahuvachan will be gatavatyah. How do we do that? So we should know nadi shabda for that. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Like that, patitavan became patitavati, nadi. Patitavatyah, nadyah. If you don't know words, it will be little bit difficult. So likitavati, likitavati, and plural will be nadyah. Likitavatyah, likitavatyah, likitavatyah. Then khaditavan. So khaditavati. Plural will be khaditavatyah. One they have given, other things we have to follow. Khaditavatyah. Kriditavan. So kriditavati for female singular and kriditavatyah. This is called tavatu pratyaya. So one is ta pratyaya. Another is called tavatu pratyaya. So tavatu is generally past tense. So hasitavan. So hasitavan is pullinga. Hasitavati is strilinga. Hasitavati singular. Hasitavatyah plural like nadi shabda. Niveditavan means said. Niveditavati strilinga. Plural will be nivedita vatyah like nadi nadyah. Niveditavati niveditavatyah. Suchitavan. So suchitavati and suchitavatyah. Like this. Moving further, again we have to do now. Feminine is given. We have to write down masculine. Very simple, masculine. So krutavan. Like patitavati become patitavan. And this patitavantah. Now how that word was declined by like nadi shabda. And this word is declined by or like Bhagavan Shabda. So Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantah. Like that, Krutavan, Krutavantau, Krutavantah. Patitavan, Patitavantau. Like that. So Drushtavati is in feminine gender. Like Sita Drushtavati. Sita saw. Now this is for Pullinga. Ramaha Drushtavan. And if many Ramas are there, Ramaha Drushtavantah. Like that. Dattavati means give, gave. And Dattavan, one person gave. Like Bhagwan, Dattavan, God gave. And Bhagavantah, दत्तवन्तः दत्तवन्तः प्रक्षालितवती means washed. If some female person washed something, then prakshalitavati. If male, then praksha prakshaalitavan, and plural will be prakshalitavantah. Prakshalita, like Bhagwan Shabda. We should know Bhagwan Shabda for this understanding of this word. Bhagwan, Bhagwanto, Bhagwanta, Bhagwantam, Bhagwanto, Bhagavata. Like one breath we should know. So Dhavitavan, Dhavitavan. Then plural will be Dhavitavantah. Like Bhagavantah. Very nice, very simple. Then moving further, you have to we have to write down the past tense of the thing which are given here. So yuvakah apanam gacchati. So we can write down gacchati in past tense. Yuvakah apanam gatavan for female. And if it is for male, if it is female, gatavati. So yuvakah is pullinga, so we will not write down gatavan, gatavati. Chalo now. Yah sah rotika khaditavan. Khadati becomes khaditavan. So this chapter is basically to practice tavatu pratyaya. I am writing only verb. You have to write down full sentence. Dadati, dattavan. Mahila vastram dadati. A lady gives cloth. Balakah dvichakrikatah patati. Boy falls from a two-wheeler or a bicycle. So, patitavan. I will write down patati, patitavan. Pitamahi chalachitram pashyati. Pashyati will not come pashyatvan. It will become drushtavan. This we have to remember. And since it is pitamahi, so drushtavati, female. Aham gruhapatham likhami. If it is male, he will say likhitavan. If it is female, aham is female, then she will say likhitavati. Tvam kutra gacchasi? Tvam gatavan. If it is male, then I can ask Tvam kutra gatavan. If it is female, I'll ask gatavati. Super. Ashvaha vane dhavanti. So Ashvaha धावन्त भगवन्तः धावन् गतवन्तः धावत् धा धावितवन्तः सॉरी धावितवन्तः because many are there. बालिकाः शीघ्रम् आगच्छन्ति. So आगतवत्यः because many girls are there. That's why आगतवती plural आगतवत्यः. वयं समुद्रे पयोहिमं खादामः. We eat ice cream on samudra tire, on beach. So vayam khaditavantah. If it is male, and khaditavatyah if it is female. That's all. So simple. Then next is very important aspect they are teaching us. If you want to make present tense into past tense without much efforts, just add sma. That's all. So patati means study, and patati sma means studied or used to study. Both way it is there. So if instead of writing apatat, you can write down or say patati sma. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now entire story I have to write in sma format. So shirshakam likhanti sma. Shirshakam likhantu. So this I didn't understand. Okay. स्म इति अवयवं पुनः लिखन्तु. शीर्षकं लिखन्ति स्म. I am writing from here. हम्म शीर्षकम शीर्षकम लिखन्ति स्म. Okay, we wrote शीर्षक. कृषकः शीर्षकं लिखन्तु. I don't know. Okay. कृषकः प्रतिदिनं कृषिक्षेत्रं means farmer every day goes to farmer गच्छति स्म. He went to farm. जलसिंचनं करोति स्म and he does watering. करोति स्म. He did watering. कीटकानां निवारणार्थं जवौषधं स्थापयति स्म. So in order to remove this kitaka means insects, harmful insects on the crops, he jaivaushadham means some natural uh, medicine he sprinkled. सः कृषिकार्यं सम्यक् जानाति स्म. He knew this farming very well. अतः अन्ये कृषकाः संशयेन पृच्छन्ति स्म. Therefore, other farmers asked him what. सः स्वाभिमानेन जीवति स्म. He was living with pride स्म. अतः अहं कृषकः भूमिपुत्रम् इति स्वाभिमानं वदति स्म. He said that I am this Bhumiputra, son of this land. सः क्षेत्रे गोमयं योजयति स्म. So he used to न तु कृत्रकान् पदार्थान्. So he used to have all natural fertilizers rather than krutrakran like chemicals. He did not use urea, etc. He used to have gomayam means the cow dung, etc. अतः व्रीहे गुणवत्ता. Therefore व्रीहे गुणवत्ता अधिका भवन व्रीहे गुणवत्ता अधिका भवति भवति स्म. So therefore the quality of the grains used to be very good. जनाः जालपूटमाध्यमेन तस्य तण्डुलं क्रीणाति. And people used to buy his tandulam. Brihi tandulam means rice. People used to buy. एवं तस्य परिवारस्य सर्वे जनाः कृषिकार्येण ससुखं जीवन्ति स्म. So all people used to live जीवन्ति स्म. Here also क्रीणाति स्म. I should not forget that. Then सः so here if you want to write शीर्षकम uh, we can write down at the end. सः सर्वान् वदति स्म. What? सः सर्वान् वदति स्म. What? कृषकः न दीनः न च दरिद्रः परं सर्वेषां पोषकः. He used to say कृषकः is the farmer is not poor, not helpless. He is the nurturer of everyone. He is the supporter of. He fulfills everyone. So what we have to write here? Shirshakah, Krushakah. If you want to write Krushakah, Poshakah is the Shirshakam of this entire paragraph. So entire paragraph you have to write down present tense form and sma at the end, and that's all. This is how this chapter is done here. We will stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha. Harihi Om.